we might have just broke something in the Camaro. It got, like, I went to push on it, and we got stuck in 6th or 7th gear, and it was just like, do, and it wouldn't shift. So I don't know if that was just something wrong with just a shift, like that was just a bad shift. I don't know what it was. I had it in automatic mode, but there was something wrong with it. So I'm gonna take it easy for a couple minutes. We're gonna see how it runs and how it acts. But that was not normal, and it was acting very weird, and I don't want to blow something up. So we're gonna test it out right now, and we're gonna see if everything's all right. I mean, the check engine light's been on because of the tune, obviously, but it was just super weird. So I gotta take it easy, be careful right now. So once we get to an area we can pull it to the side, I'm gonna just flip a bitch real quick. We're gonna start heading back, and that way, you know, I don't risk anything. But it cut out bad, you know. I still had power and stuff, but it cut out and it just would not go any further. So I'm kind of just right here checking everything. I'm gonna honestly cycle through all the gears again when I do a fat pull, and we'll see how it goes, you know. I don't know if that was just traction control preventing the car from actually upshifting and going up in speed because it was breaking loose, or I don't know what it was, but that was very weird. So basically, guys, we're just gonna go get some pictures of the Camaro. All right, everybody, found a cool little spot for some pictures. So we're just taking some pictures right now, and we're gonna call it a day. To be honest, I shouldn't even be driving the car. I haven't even revealed to you guys that the cold air intake is actually giving me issues. The headers are too hot, and the cold air intake is actually overheating, so the temperatures are super high. The car's not overheating itself, it's just the intake that's overheating. So basically, we're just getting some pictures. We're gonna do a couple more polls. And yeah, that's it. We're just gonna do a short little canyon cruise, and then we're probably just gonna head home and start ordering some stuff that I gotta get for my car. But we'll see what else we are gonna do today. End of the cruise night, just a little tiny, we were out there for like 2 hours, I want to say 2-3 hours, just cruising around. Didn't get a ton of footage or as much footage as I'd like because I wasn't fully prepared. I wanted to get some POV and all that other stuff for you guys, but I couldn't really get good POV because I had to pull over to the side, and there's really no good spots to pull over to the side over there. So next time I'll go way more prepared. I have a drone. I'm gonna actually get some drone shots out there now that I have an idea of the aerial scenery. So until the next one, guys, have a good one, and we'll see you then.